In this video, I'll walk you through how to build a team vacation tracker with Microsoft Lists in just a few simple steps. First, click the Create New button at the top of the page. A dialog appears asking how you'd like to start. You'll see options for List, Board, Calendar, and other view types. Click the List option. Enter Team Vacation Tracker as your list name and click Create. Your new blank list opens with a welcome screen showing an empty table ready for you to add columns. Click the Add New Item field and type Person as your first column heading. This column will hold the names of team members taking time off. Now click the plus button to add another column. Type Start Date as the column name. Click the plus button again to add a third column. Type End Date, and that gives you the 3 columns you need for tracking vacation periods. Now click Add View at the top of the screen. A Create View dialog opens. Type Test as your view name. Then click the Calendar option to switch from List View to Calendar View. You'll see the calendar layout settings appear below. Calendar view settings appear below, showing drop-down fields for configuring your date columns. Click the Start Date on Calendar drop-down and select Created. This tells the calendar which column marks the beginning of each vacation block. Then click the End Date on Calendar drop-down and select Created. This sets which column defines when each vacation period ends. Click Create to save your new view. The dialog closes and your vacation tracker opens in Calendar View with your 3 columns ready to track team time off. Once you've got the basic structure set up, you can add a choice column for leave type, set up options like annual leave, sick leave, and personal day so your team can categorize each request at a glance. If your dates aren't showing up correctly in Calendar View, go back into the View settings and map the Start Date and End Date columns to the calendar fields instead of using the created timestamp. You can always switch back to List View by clicking the View dropdown at the top and selecting All Items. And that's how to build a team vacation tracker with Microsoft Lists. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.